Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. You like my look today? I love it. I think it's awesome. Anyway, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Yes, inshallah 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀. With the times that we have now, every day that we wake up and we are good, we have to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for everything that He gives us on a daily basis, moment to moment. So let's be thankful. It's Friday, it's Jummah day, and I'd like to wish each and every one of you Jummah Mubarak. I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make our lives easier, give us everything that we ask for that is halal, and increase our iman, make our faith stronger, and fulfill each and every one of us our desires. That is my dua, inshallah. Please, if we don't ask, we will never get. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, you ask from me and I will give you. If I feel it's good for you, I will give it to you. I may not give it to you when you need it, but you will get it, inshallah. And if you don't get it, there's a reason why you don't get it. So, I'm really excited today about this look. Again, there's so many requests for niqab. I'm not a niqabi. I've not been one. I don't know if that's in my future because only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the future. But for right now, because I'm on this platform, there's so many inquiries, there's so many people asking for it, there's so many of my viewers looking for the niqab, and I'm okay with, you know, doing a niqab tutorial. It's just simple, it's easy, and it's for all those sisters who are thinking about it, who are wearing it, and who is looking for support on the niqab. Alhamdulillah for you sisters that are wearing the niqab and can carry it and carry it proudly. I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always protect each and every one of you and make it easy for all of us who are hijabis and niqabis and who wears the full jubba. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for all of us. Inshallah. Ameen. 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 So without taking much of your time, I started out welcoming you to my channel. For those who have been with me from the start and have added along the way and joined me along the way, I thank each and every one of you for your love and your support. And for those of you who are new here today, I thank you for visiting. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you to like this content, and may you stick around to the end. And I hope at the end you will like it and you will come back. If not, join us today. It is important when you look at the video to press the like button. If you like the contents, you share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this platform. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, press the all so that you can always get all of my uploads. Whenever I upload them, you will get a notification that video has been uploaded. So please do that so you won't miss any of my uploads. I've been uploading every day so far. I intend to do so still. Inshallah, if things change, I will let you know. For now, I will get into this tutorial of how I got this look, so stay with me. So here we are. I've got this really beautiful scarf today. Beautiful, beautiful scarf. It's very light. It's shiny material. It's got beautiful golden threads in there. For the weather, it's very light, so it's beautiful. And I've got on my ninja today. My neck of my it's a long dress, and the neck is a tiny bit. It's right here. So I want to make sure that I have my ninja, that it covers everything. And to spice it up a little bit, this is not going to show, but I felt like putting that on because I am hoping that I can show just the piping of this cap that I've put on here. Isn't that pretty? It's absolutely gorgeous. Yes, and I'm excited to show you this look, and we can put it together. It's a rectangular scarf. It's beautiful scarf, and I'm wearing this really nice long dress. It's so light. It's georgette material. It's lined because it's like a see-through, so it's very light. And I'm excited to put this on and show you how we get that look. So here we go. Work with me. Remember, I'm not a niqabi, but I enjoy doing these niqab tutorials. Okay, so what I've done is I folded it just a tiny bit. See that? Just a tiny bit to give the front a very neat look. Okay, and I'm going to put that there, hoping to show the front of the piping of that underscarf. And I'm going to put some pressure, and I'm just going to fold it in a tiny bit, and I'm going to pin it under here with a safety pin. It doesn't matter what color the pin is, because it's going to be hidden, so you can use whatever you have available or whatever you're comfortable with using. Now this is the short side and this is the very long side. So what I'm going to do now, that's in place. See, I want it like that. See, you can do that, or you can cover that up. It's up to your liking. Whatever the tutorial today is to show the bit of piping, that it gives a little bit of a contrast. And now what we're going to do is take the short side. I want to do this as quickly as I can, and I'm going to fold it in a bit. This one is a bit of a bigger fold because I'm going to use this as the niqab. So see that? I'm folding it in, and I'm going to bring that over as my niqab. And I'm going to pull it as tight as you want to. When I bring it over here, I'm going to fold the extra piece of fabric inside, so it's a nice, neat look. And I'm going to give it a pin here. Right there. One of these little stick pins. And you pin it right there. And that is securing your niqab. Now, you can pull this as tight as you want to. Some sisters like it very tight, and some like it loose. So I'm going to pull it that makes me, whatever makes me comfortable, and I'm going to give it also a stick pin over here. So now that's secured the niqab in place. This is okay. You can fix that up because this will be covered, and now you are covered. Now this side, we're going to bring this over here, making sure my back is covered, and now I'm going to bring this over to do my wrap. Simple and easy. Keeping a small fold. Just keeping a small fold, and I'm going to give it a stick pin here. I'm pinning it just above the other pin that I have the niqab, and I'll explain to you why. I want to keep that in there. Niqab is there, but I'm putting this inside the wrap that I just brought over. So it has a nice, neat look to it. See that? I'm going to put another stick pin here. Not too many pins. We just got to keep it minimal. But I'm just putting one here so that everything, it looks nice and neat, right? So we've got that looking there. See that? We can leave that flowing. We can pull it back a bit more if we want to give it some more coverage here. See here? giving it some more coverage. There's lots of fabric to work with, so we can, because it's a niqab. So if it's a niqab, it must be, you must be covered, and covered nice and proper, because you want everything covered. Now we can leave that flowing because it gives it nice, folds nicely in the back. Or we can just bring it across if it's your likeness, whatever you are comfortable with. And I'm quite okay with it. Bringing it in the front, giving it a nice, just making sure it folds nicely so it falls nicely. And that is done. That is set nicely. Our niqab is done. What do you think? Quick and easy. It's just bringing it over here, bringing the fold, and fussing with your fabric a little bit so you have your full coverage that you want. And that looks really beautiful. There's lots of fabric in the back, lots on the side, and we are fully covered. Now, if you want to just take that off, we can simply pull it down. How is that? Isn't that beautiful? So it's set up. Now, if you want to keep your niqab on, and you want to, when you go to the, you know, if you're going out and you want to, you know, you're with your family and you want to take this off, it's simple. You just see here. That's why I said when you pin it above this inside pin. See there? So that you can easily take this off if you like. Simple as that. Very simple, very easy. So we're going to keep that niqab back in place. You need to go back out. You want your niqab in place. All you're going to do is fold your fabric in, and you've got your pin, and you're going to pin it right here again. And you've got your niqab in place. And it's beautiful. It's the way it's set up. It's got, the material is so easy, it's breathable, you don't have issues with it because you're covered. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed that, because I wanted to make it nice and quick and easy, and show you how we can transform a niqab into a hijab, and we can wear it as a niqab. So for now, I'm just going to pull this down. And it's so simple, so easy, so beautiful. My viewers, what do you think? Did you enjoy that? Yes, absolutely. I enjoyed it. It's beautiful. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So for all of those who are wanting to try the niqab, or who are wearing the niqab, wanting to make it a bit simpler, I think that was pretty easy. Pin here. Fold the shorter side across to make it your niqab. The longer side, we did a wrap and have it right here. Right here. Simple as that. Simple as that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I think that's beautiful. Yes, it's gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoy that. I hope that I was able to make it easier for you, my sisters. Please leave a comment below. Let me know how you're feeling about it. And if you enjoy the look, and if you're looking for more niqabs, you know I will do my best to accommodate you, each and every one of you. Please do leave me a comment. And if you like what you saw, hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button and press the all. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me. I thank you for helping me to build this platform. Please do take care. Today is Friday. It's Jummah. It's Eid day. Make special du'as for yourself and your family. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala listens to them. He may not always answer them when we're looking for the answers, but He listens. When we ask, He listens. So please, it's a very special day. It's like Eid day. Every Friday is Eid day. So make sure you make special du'as today to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for anything that you want. Anything that you want. You know, if we have whatever it's in our heart, open it up and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I thank you for being with me. Until we meet again, do stay safe. Take care. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.